Alright guys, so today is repair day. So we have an Octominer right here. It is full of A2000s, but we need to replace the actual motherboard for it. This one was having issues. It wouldn't post in the BIOS. It would do absolutely nothing but continuously loop. Sometimes the CPU fan wouldn't even spin. So obviously there was an issue. So today we are going to replace the board in here and get the Octominer back up and running and show y'all kind of how to do that. Today this will be my first time doing this myself, so let's dig in, shall we? Alright, so now we're down to the board, right? So we have to transfer over the RAM, the CPU, as well as the CPU cooler to the new board right here. And then of course I plug all the various cables back in. But this will get it back up and going hopefully, and we should see some hashes. So let's dig in a little bit further. Now, in order to take this board out, if some people don't know, there are two screws, one right there and one down there, in order to get this board like out of its configuration. Also make sure you get all of the little ribbon cables like this one, the little one down here, unplugged, safely from the board as well. Alright, so as you can see here they are side by side. There's a little bracket right here that we'll have to take out in order to mount it. Well, like I said, CPU cooler, CPU, and the RAM will all be transplanted over to the new board. So let's combine these two into one. Alright, so everything is swapped over. Now all we have to do is put the connectors back on the board and seat it back in there, fire it up, and see how she hashes. So yeah. Alright, so everything is transplanted back over to the new board. Old board's over there, so let's go hook this bad boy up and see if we can get something out of it. Alright, so we got her up and hashing. I can't show you the screen because it has information, but it's a customer's rig. But guys, it is up and going. I had to reseat the motherboard. I had to reseat it like 2 times and make sure everything was plugged in before it actually rebooted back up. Before it wasn't even showing any kind of data lights still. But after I reseated it, now we're back up and hashing. So, freaking FA, if you guys need to replace a motherboard, that's really all you have to do. Just swap out your CPU with the CPU cooler, as well as the RAM. Make sure everything's plugged in. Make sure that plug right there is at the top slot for the Jason, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it. So, we're just going to button this bad boy back up and get it back with the rest of its family here. So let's do that. Alright, so we got the new rig up with the rest of them. It is actually a little further away. There we go. So there, now we got all the rest of those up there, of course, with the 12 GPU Octominer, plus as well a miner hoop case. I kind of like those, to be honest. I don't know, I'm kind of a fan of the white ones. I'm really a fan of the normal brushed steel ones too, but I don't know, I kind of like that. I'm a sucker for the black. But we got all those up and going. Had to reseat the motherboard, like I said, a couple times, but it's hashing, so that's all that matters. And then we got some more of NIMS rigs down here. We have more that we need to move from down there to down here. Of course, have a new PDU installed down there as well. So we're ready to put some rigs over here and get the ball rolling that way. So, guys, make sure you use the affiliate code for Octominer down in the description below. I would greatly appreciate it. It does help out the channel quite a bit. We love Octominer here at the channel. Of course, we have a package. Hold on. Yeah, we actually have a package from Octominer, from Crypty, So I bet you can guess what this is. If you're live on NimStream, you could actually see this right now, live. But you'll see this on the video. So let's open this up. Freaking FA, guys. Look at that awesome Octominer freaking banner. Dude, what a great way to end the video. Octominer, you're awesome. Be sure to use the affiliate link or just check it out down in the description below. It would greatly appreciate it. I'd greatly appreciate it. The streaming PC with the Intel GPU, that banner's going right there. So every time we do a video, Octominer will be in the video here at the facility. FA, guys. Much love. Peace out. Keep on hashing. And make sure you use paste. Catch y'all next time.